Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Booking.com account. Whether you're no longer using the service or simply want to remove your personal information from the platform, this straightforward process will help you permanently close your account. To get started, you'll need to sign in to your Booking.com account using your email and password. Make sure you're logged in before proceeding, as you won't be able to access the deletion settings otherwise. Once you're signed in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page, where you'll see either your profile icon or your name displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From this drop-down menu, look for and select Manage Account or Account Settings. This is the hub where you can modify all your personal preferences and account details. Clicking this option will take you to a comprehensive overview of your account configuration. Next, you'll want to navigate to the Security section of your account. Look for an option labeled Manage Account Security or simply Security within your account settings. This section is designed to handle sensitive account operations, including password changes and, importantly, account deletion. Click on it to access these critical settings. Once you're on the security page, scroll down to the very bottom. This is where Booking.com places the more permanent account actions. At the bottom of this page, you'll find the Delete Account option. This placement is intentional, ensuring that account deletion isn't something users accidentally stumble upon. Finally, click the Delete Account button. Booking.com may ask you to confirm your decision or provide a reason for leaving, but this step initiates the account deletion process. Keep in mind that deleting your account will remove your booking history, saved payment methods, and personal preferences from the platform permanently. And that's it. You've successfully initiated the deletion of your Booking.com account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.